Are your progressive lenses letting you down at the computer? If you're constantly leaning in, tilting your head, or squinting just to see your screen, you are not alone. And the good news, there's a better option. I'm Dr. Anthony Mitchell. I'm a practicing optometrist in the state of North Carolina, and today we're breaking down computer progressive lenses, what they are, how they work, and why your everyday progressives might not be the best tool for screen time, even though you were told that they would be. Let's start with the basics. Computer progressive lenses, also known as office lenses, are designed specifically for the distances you use the most when you're at your desk. That includes your monitor, your reading material, whether it's notes, books, or your phone. Now, what's the problem with regular progressive lenses? They're designed for all-purpose wear, distance, intermediate, and near. But to fit all of that into one lens, the intermediate zone, the part you use to see your screen, ends up being very narrow and tough to access. And because it is so narrow, you end up dipping your chin, shifting your head, or squinting just to get clear vision when you're looking at your computer. It's frustrating and exhausting, especially over a full workday. Computer progressive lenses solve this issue. They restructure the lens layout to make sure your intermediate zone, where your screen sits, is larger and easier to find. That zone is placed right in the upper half of the lens, while the reading zone remains in the lower portion. Because the intermediate zone is up top, you can sit up upright, look straight ahead at your screen, naturally looking through the clearest part of your lens with no tilting or strain required. So what does this actually feel like for patients? Well, in most cases, it's a huge improvement. Less eye fatigue, less neck and shoulder tension, and clearer, more comfortable vision exactly where you need it at your computer. So if you're thinking, how do you use these glasses? Well, these are task-specific lenses designed for focus work. They're perfect for computer time, video calls, reading, writing, or any type of office task. You wouldn't use this for walking around or driving, but for computer work, they are a game changer. In all honesty, you're probably just working too hard, and that's the main reason why you may need these glasses. They'll make your workday smoother, your workflow more efficient. So if you're over 40, wear progressives, and you spend long hours on a computer screen, your current lenses might be limiting your comfort and your productivity. Computer progressives give you more usable space, better posture, and clearer vision while you're at work. If this helps you better understand why one pair of glasses might not be enough, and you learned something new, consider subscribing. And if you tried these lenses, drop a comment below and share your experience so others may know. You never know who it may help.